So here I am in Soundtrap, and I've got the I did an F major scale here. And if I want to make it a minor scale, I can lower the third, and I can lower the sixth, and I can lower the seventh. Let's play that. Okay, now if I want to make it the harmonic minor scale, I'll keep everything as is and just bring the seventh back up to the natural. And listen to this one. This has an odd sound. Let me play that one more time, a little bit louder. Hear that ending part? It has that very odd sound to it, coming up right here. Okay? And then we have the harmonic minor, which basically only has the lowered third. Okay? Just letting you know those exist, and we oftentimes want to temporarily just use this harmonic minor if we want to put a dominant chord to pull us back to our one chord, if we want that 5-7 chord to bring us back. Okay, so I'm going to leave this as just a normal minor scale, back to regular pure minor. And we can now start to build our triads. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, so the first chord, whoops, got an extra note in there. So the first chord is an F minor, 1 minor. Second chord will be whoops. Let me so my second chord is a G diminished. Remember that second, that 2 is a diminished. Then the next one is a major chord. Okay, the next one is going to be whoops. It's going to be a minor. So this is the same thing you did with a major scale. We're just doing it with a minor scale now. And remember, we use our minor scales to get a darker sound. So here's the 5 minor. That's a major, flat 6 major chord. And let's see here, E flat. and another major chord to end the scale. And then back to the minor. So if I wanted to add sevenths to these, I would get my first chord would be a minor 7, my second would be what we call a minor 7 flat 5. Let's just put this right here and play it. I just kind of went fast. Okay. Our next one is going to be a major major 7. So that's a 3 major 7, flat 3 major 7. And let's see here. This will be a 4 minor 7. Okay, then this will also be a minor 7. Okay, then followed by 2 major 7s. And here's the whole thing in 7th chords. Yep, that should be good. Okay, so you should keep these as, you should write these down, write out the notes like we did in the last time so that you have them, so you don't have to keep coming back to these. And if we want to start building a progression, we can try one. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could just pick a few notes. So let's start with a 1. I'm going to get rid of all these. And I'm going to drag this through the whole bar. Okay. Then I'm just going to keep adding. I'm going to make this go for 8 bars. That's all we need for today. So it will go up to bar 9. Let's hear the first bar. Okay, so I'm just going to pick another note out of the scale. Let's see here. Let me just put something in. Let me get my pencil. Oh, okay. We'll do that. Let's see what that. Let's see if we build a chord off of that. That's the A flat. So. Okay, so let's see what those sound like. Okay, that's cool. It's covering the whole bar. That's what I want. Okay. Next, let's pick another note. Let's try. Try this. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. I'm just picking notes out of the scale and building chords. And if I don't like it, I'll change them. And I think I just want to go up one more here. So what I'm going to do is just get this and copy it. And let's check the notes. E flat's good, G is good, perfect. All right, let's see what this sounds like. So let's keep going here. Well, what I'm going to do is zoom out. I'm just going to copy that. Okay, now I want to make sure it's locking in with the time when I copy. All right, let's check it out. I'm just going to do something a little different for the ending. So I'm going to keep these three the same, and let me just try something else here. D flat with the notes from my scale. Okay, let's see how that sounds from all the way from the beginning. Okay, what I want to do is make this go half the bar, and then I'm gonna build off of the next note up. Whoops. And that will be E flat, G, B flat, and D. So let's check this out. Okay, this is good, except I need to use my voice leading, right? I got too many jumps here. We want that smooth voice-led thing. So let's take the C and bring it down, and let's take the E flat and bring it down. Already getting better. And let's do the same here. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see here. Then I'll put that down on the bottom, and let's see, maybe this. Let's see what we got. That's good. So I'm going to save because I got some work done. Actually, let's throw in a drum track. Let's find something here. Let's see here. Let's see what's under R&B. Let's see what this sounds like. All right, let's use that. And let's have a little more fun with this. I'm going to go here to my grand piano and let's see here. Let's change our instrument. And again, I'm going to go to pads like we used before. Synth, pads, those are always good for chords. Let's see what that one's going to sound like if we use it from the beginning. Well, it's not really working, but let's try something. If I take all of these notes, every single one of them, and go up an octave, it might sound a little bit better. Let's check it out. Okay, so at this point you should write down what your chords are, okay, your roots of your chords. So mine are, let me go into here, mine are, I'm starting with A flat, I'm starting with F, and then remember it's not the bottom note anymore, it's going to be, it's whatever the inversion is, but in this case it is the bottom note, so it's F, A flat, B flat, C, F, well, that's not F, but F, A flat, B flat, and then D flat, E flat are my roots. So I can build my bass line from that. Okay, so let's see here. I'll use that dub bass. Okay. And I can just put in my notes. So I need to go lower. Okay, and I'm just going to make it simple. I'm just going to do whole notes for now. So I'm going to go to there, then I went up to A flat, then I went up to B flat, then C. So always know what chord you started with so you can put the roots in for your bass. Okay, and as I did before, I'll copy. So I know those last two notes are E flat, I'm sorry, D flat, and then E flat. Let's see how that turned out. Always listen. Okay, this is great. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this. Wait, let me make a new channel. Maybe I'll try that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just copy this. And let me see if it'll let me paste it down here. Okay, now why I'm doing this is so that I see what notes I'm working with. So now I can start to build a melody. Hold on. So let me get rid of this. See, these show, when I build my melody, what I can choose from. Let's check this out so far. I'm gonna I don't really like this. Just moving stuff around till I like it. Okay. Let me get rid of that. So let's see just the first 4 bars of my melody. Okay, so let's copy this. Oops. Not sure I like that. Let me see if this is any better. Let's see. Okay, I don't know what happened in the second half with that sound, but in general, we have something we can use here. So this would be the first 8 bars of a song, maybe. Okay, not a whole song, but the first 8 bars. Melody, bass line, nothing new. The only difference is we're using a minor scale to build our chords to start with, and we're using 7th chords this time. Okay, and otherwise, nothing new here. Whoops. And maybe I like my drums a little bit louder, but that's basically it. So nothing super new in terms of creating melody. We're just using our chord tones and throwing in some passing tones, and in some cases I'm using the available tensions, the ones that we talked about here. off of some of this for my melody notes. But otherwise, pretty straightforward. The only thing that's different is we're starting with a minor scale. So this is pretty simple. Build yourself a nice 8-bar minor chord progression. If you want to go longer than 8 bars, you're welcome, but let's do a minimum of 8.